Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a good trader. So be smart about the way you're trading. Also, grab a free trial right now to do a brand new Master Trader Lab monthly. We're going to learn every single month. You'll be learning techniques to help you become a much better trader. Click on the first link in the description below right now. So you said look at that volume on the S&P chart and so yeah, definitely. So when we're looking at the volume on any chart, guys, what tends to happen is we tend to start to get volume spikes either on expiration day, options expiration day, or either tops and bottoms, short-term tops and bottoms in the market, especially when we're looking at the daily chart, right? Look at this here. Look at this here for a minute. So when we have here, when you're trying to read the volume, this is how you read it. So let me do this here. So if you look at this here, so we had volume spikes through here, and that was that point through there. Then we rallied up, had a volume spike through there. That was the top through there. We kept going down, kept going down. Volume spike through there, and there's a volume spike through there. So right now, and then this could have a little bit more of a sideways movement for a while, and then drop back down. We don't know, but it's telling us on the short term anyway. On the short term, it's not always the exact same, but at tops and bottoms, when we're looking at the daily chart, it gives us that short term probability that we're now likely to get some sort of a change in a sort of a short term reversal. So now you need to make sure that you're also incorporating trend analysis, so higher low. Market is pulling back. We've got a cluster of volume and the market took off. As the market took off, then we started getting sideways movement and then so on and so forth. So that's how you read the volume when you're looking at any stock in the thread. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to be a complete bottom in the market. Again, you need to do your analysis properly. But right now, the reason why we had a bit of as you can see, why we had a bit of a bounce in the markets is because we had a bit of a volume spike here and then we have a bit of a bounce. But yeah, the volume is definitely key. But when you start to see this rally, look at this rally here, and we've had very little volume through there. So that's how you read the volume, guys. If you're looking at any market or any stock through there, it can give you some sort of, again, it's a short term. It's not complete trend change. You need to apply the analysis of who's in control and so on and so forth. But on the volume can definitely give you some sort of change in the market. The volume can tell you when we're likely to see possibly an end of move indicator. Again, short term end of move. And as we just see from there, yeah. As you know, the trading is not an easy thing, right? There's so many areas you need to know in order to become a really good trader. You've got the foundations, you've got the chart reading techniques, you've got the trading systems, and also you've got the mindset and so much more that goes into becoming what I call a master trader. So I've created a program called the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be releasing brand new trainings and help you understand all of the foundations, the chart reading strategies, the mindset techniques, everything that goes into becoming a really good trader. And now I'm giving away a free trial right now for the grand opening, and also I'm giving you a kickstart bonus package as well, the foundation to a successful trader, the chart reading techniques and the advanced chart reading techniques, millionaire trader mindset, and a bonus package as well too. This is for the grand opening of the Master Trader Lab Monthly. Click on the very first link in the description below right now to claim your free trial right now.